Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Ohio Creative Portfolio and Agency WordPress theme step by step, so you can set up your creative agency website in minutes. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Appearance Themes. Click Add New, then select Upload Theme. Here, choose the Ohio theme zip file that you downloaded from your source. Once selected, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, click Activate to make the Ohio theme live on your website. Next, you'll see a notice asking to install required plugins. Click Begin installing plugins. Select all required plugins, click Install, and then activate them to ensure your theme functions properly. Now, it's time to import the demo content. Go to Appearance Import Demo Data. Choose your preferred demo, then click Import. This may take a few minutes depending on your server speed. Once finished, your website will look exactly like the demo. After importing, you can customize your website by going to Appearance Customize. Here you can change the logo, fonts, colors, header layout, and other settings to match your brand. Don't forget to check the responsive view for mobile and tablet devices, ensuring your creative portfolio or agency website looks perfect everywhere. Finally, visit your website to preview the live design and make any final adjustments. That's it. Your Ohio Creative Portfolio and Agency WordPress theme is now fully installed and ready to showcase your portfolio or agency work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.